Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys an amazing 7x18 trailer we have in stock. This one's stock number 14774. This is a 2019 Cargo Craft 7x18 insulated with windows loaded out. This trailer also has a 3-inch suspension lift on it, so it's going to sit a little bit taller than your standard trailers will. This one has, again, a matte bronze exterior. You also have the diamond plate rock guard on the bottom as well as on the corners. Extended triple tube tongue with a nice big generator platform as well. Side door does have the RV locking cam bar, so you've got double lock protection there, as well as a slider window with a screen, which is nice. It lets some light in the trailer, also allows you guys to see who's at the door. Now this one is equipped with some exterior options. You've got that LED spot right there. We do have that on so you guys can see. That's wired to a battery on the interior of the trailer. We'll talk about that more in a second. It also has 30 amp service, so you guys have an exterior GFI outlet located right here next to the side door. Two 3,500-pound torsion axles with brakes. You also have aluminum wheels and one size bigger tires and wheels with this unit because, again, you've got a 3-inch suspension lift on this trailer, so you've got some more ground clearance. Diamond plate fender. You also have drop-down stabilizer jacks as well as side vents with this unit. Rear ramp door does have spring assist close, so it's easy to open and close the rear ramp door of this trailer. Now you also have two more additional LED spotlights here off the ramp door, so you guys will have some great load lights at night to be able to see what you're doing. 7-foot interior height, insulated walls and ceiling with this unit, and then the switch for these spots off your ramp door is right here, so you guys can see you can drop that ramp door and immediately get some light on. Now you also have 8 interior puck lights. Those are all on as well. You guys can see those. Great lights. I love these little lights. They're very bright, very efficient. They hardly draw any power. They've got toggle switches on them so you can control them individually. And again, plenty of light on the interior of the trailer. Back here, you've got a Maxx Air roof vent that has the bubble cover on it. And then up front, you've got your AC unit with a heat strip, which is what you guys can see right there. And then we also have the full nudo floor with a nudo kick plate, which is really nice because it's going to save your walls for tire marks and that sort of thing if you guys are hauling dirt bikes or anything in here. And then you've got the E-track down low as well for some tie down points. Now we also have interior outlets. There's 4 up here in the front. And those are going to work off this 30 amp service right here. That 30 amp box, you take this cord, pop it right through the floor into your generator or an extension cord or however you're going to power up the trailer. That's going to run your AC unit with the heat strip. It's also going to run all those interior outlets. Now here is the bonus. You've got this awesome battery with a battery charger. That's what's running all the interior and exterior lights for you guys without having to be plugged into a power source. So very nice feature there. Kind of give you guys a good look here. Those double light switches, one's to work that spot off the side door, one's to work all your pucks on the interior. There's a better shot of that window, better shot of your AC unit with a heat strip. This unit also does come with a matching spare and spare tire since it is a one size bigger tire and wheel. We've already got a spare here ready for you as well. So 4,900 pound payload capacity with this unit. This unit weighs probably about 2,200 pounds. I don't have it right in front of me. And an amazing price on this trailer at $12,977 plus tax. Now you guys can reach us at 303-688-8485. You can check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We do have shipping options available for you guys, so if you don't live near us, no worries, we'll get you your trailer. Just give us a call, we'll get you a shipping quote as well. And again, here, very cool, amazing unit. Everybody loves the matte bronze exterior. It's one of our favorites, and it's loaded up with a lot of goodies, just pretty perfect how you need it. So again, 303-688-8485 or online, coloradotrailersinc.com.